Hey guys, welcome back. On today's video, I will show you how to make tomato ketchup at home. If you're interested, please relax and continue watching. For the list of ingredients, I have 5 very large fresh tomatoes. I have a quarter cup of sugar. I have 2 tablespoons of white distilled vinegar. Lastly, I have 2 tablespoons of paprika just to add some color. So the first thing is to wash your tomatoes very well. Next, cut the tomatoes into smaller pieces. Transfer the tomatoes to a pressure pot, add 1 cup of water, cook for 10 minutes, or you can cook for 15 to 20 minutes in a normal pot. After cooking for 10 minutes, transfer to a blender and blend everything until very smooth. After blending, transfer to a sieve and sieve out all the seeds and all the rough edges. After sieving the tomatoes, discard whatever that couldn't pass through the sieve. Then to this one, add your sugar, add paprika, add the vinegar. So the sugar is going to make this ketchup sweet. The paprika will give it more color so that it will be a bit more red. Then the vinegar will add some acid to the ketchup. Then you can also twist yours if you want. You can add some onion powder. You can add some hotness by adding hot pepper to it. You can just add whatever you like. You can also use some brown sugar if you prefer. You can add more sugar or less sugar. Continue cooking and stirring on low to medium heat until you achieve the right consistency. So at this point, I have achieved the consistency that I want. If you prefer, you can continue to boil yours down until it gets thicker. So this is our homemade tomato ketchup. It tastes so good as well. I just hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. Again, for the record, this tomato ketchup can stay for 1 month, can stay for up to 1 month in the fridge. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and please subscribe if you are not yet subscribed. And I'll see you in my next one. Until then, stay safe and have a nice day.